Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make royal icing using meringue powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, and 6 tablespoons of water. Ensure all your mixing equipment, especially your bowl and whisk, are completely clean and free of any grease. This is a crucial step for achieving the perfect consistency and preventing your icing from breaking down. Having a stand mixer ready will make this process much easier. Let's start by combining our dry ingredients. Begin by sifting 4 cups of powdered sugar into your stand mixer bowl. Sifting is important to remove any lumps, ensuring a smooth icing. Next, add 3 level tablespoons of meringue powder to the sifted sugar. Meringue powder is key for stability and shine. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly on a low speed for about 30 seconds, just until they are well combined and uniform in color. Now it's time to add the liquid and achieve that perfect royal icing consistency. Gradually pour in 6 tablespoons of water to your dry mixture. Start beating on a very low speed, just until all the ingredients are moistened and combined. Then increase your mixer speed to medium-high. Whip the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the icing forms stiff, glossy peaks and holds its shape beautifully. It should be thick and pipeable. Once your royal icing is made, proper storage is essential to keep it fresh. Transfer the icing to an airtight container. To prevent a crust from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the icing before sealing the container. Stored this way at room temperature, your royal icing will remain fresh and usable for up to 2 weeks. If it has been stored, give it a brief re-whip on low speed before using to restore its smooth texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.